This is a very simple tutorial to do. You can make greeting cards, you can make postcards to send to your friends for Happy New Year 2025. I did some lettering here. I call it 3D shadow lettering. It's really interesting to do, so you're just painting the shadow of the letter. It's hard for my brain to do, but I figured out how to do this. So what I did is I traced the outline onto a 5x7 card here. I used pencil for the numbers, and then I went ahead and used marker. It was a, gosh, I'm not sure what it was. I think it was a micron just for the letters, so I wouldn't have to do it but just one time. And then it's very, very simple. So all the negative space around the numbers, we're going to paint with colors. You can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use some permanent rose just because I like it. It's just such a bright, happy color. And I'm just doing the negative space around the numbers. I'm using a round brush size 8. It's got a pretty good point to it, so I can get in here and try to be neat with it. I think I'm going to make the different shapes different colors. This first one is permanent rose. Now I think I'll do some phthalo blue. I've done this card several times already. It's just fun to do. And as I'm painting the shapes around the numbers are starting to appear. Let's see, what am I going to do next? What color? I think I'll do some Quin Gold. That's a pretty color. It's dry now. Now I'm going to do a shadow on the right side of the numbers. And you could use paint, you could use some Payne's Gray, neutral tint, any color you want. I'm going to use this little marker here. It's a little water-based ink pen here. Just pretending the light source is coming from the left side here. kind of got wonky with this 0 here. See if I can clean up that line. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I'm calling this done. You could do some splatters on it. You could paint some down here for the Happy New Year message. I did this with just all permanent rose and not the shadow marking or the shadow letters. And here's when I added some splatter and I did some blending here on the background. Just do it however you want and have some fun with it. And I hope you have a very, very happy new year.